Welcome. To order Swirl gift cards, click Order Now and select Pay by Bank Transfer to access the order form. First, fill in your company details, including your CRO number. This is your company's registration number, which you can quickly find on the core website. If you don't have a CRO number, just choose your entity type and add the relevant number. Next, enter the card quantities and amounts, select a delivery method, and add any special requests. Please ensure all your details are correct to help us deliver your order smoothly and without delay. Then select your delivery option. You can select either bulk delivery to your business address or individual delivery directly to each staff member's home address. At the bottom, let us know how you heard about us. If you select Other, please be specific. Finally, to continue, accept the terms and conditions. Leave the marketing preferences box ticked to stay updated and receive extra information from us. And then hit Submit. You will receive an invoice with our bank details once your order has been submitted and reviewed by our team. And that's it. Ordering rewards with Swirl is fast, simple, and secure.